vigorous yellow ME. Introducing our high-efficiency resistor downlight, delivering powerful illumination with a sleek design.
With an efficiency of 130 lumens per watt, our high-performance downlights offer exceptional energy savings, achieving an ERP rating of D made from full aluminum for optimal heat dissipation. They ensure a longer lifespan and reduced maintenance costs. Available in single head, double head, and adjustable angle options, this downlight meets diverse lighting needs. The durable full aluminum metal body showcases exceptional craftsmanship, designed for long-term use. Designed for quick and easy installation, our downlight features a hassle-free wiring system. Experience our high-efficiency recessed downlights, more energy-saving and environmentally friendly, because protecting the planet is everyone's responsibility.